Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 20 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to find apps and notifications. Now let's tap on advanced and enter special app access, which is at the very bottom of the list. Here we have to find the option called install unknown apps. And as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install something. If you'd like to, for example, allow Chrome to install some content, just tap on it and tap on the switcher right here. After getting back, you can see that from now on the Chrome is allowed to install something, but be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer. So you may put your data and actually your device on the risk. So remember about that. And obviously it will work the same with all other apps, so which are listed obviously right here. So after tapping on the Gmail, you can also allow downloading from this source. So if you'd like to turn off this option, all you have to do is to simply tap on the app and tap on the switcher, as I did in the Gmail. And as you can see, from now on the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. So actually this is it. This is how to allow unknown sources in your Motorola Edge 20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.